Hey guys, welcome back. So we are fine with the concept of log. हमने देखा पिछले वीडियो में कि log को define कैसे करते हैं. How we write exponential forms into logarithmic form. That is just a way of writing it differently. Now we'll see what is logarithmic scale. So this is one of the. So before that, let's see a property of log. I have written some values uh, of log base 10. So let's say log 10 base 10. We know what power should I raise this number to get this number. The answer is 1. Similarly, what power should I raise to get 100? Answer is 2. And so on. Important point to note is I have taken a data set whose value varies from 10 to 10 to the power 10, right? Which is a big variation, not 10, 100,000 and 10,000 and 1 lakh and 1 million. It varies till 10 to the power 10, right? I have compressed this data set in just 10 values. If you see these, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This has got compressed into 10 values. So I can, using these 10 values, I can work on data set which gets varied from 10 to 10 to the power 10 and so on. So this is the main use of log, and this is the basic concept of defining a logarithmic scale. Let's see what a logarithmic scale is, and you must have already heard about this thing called Richter scale. Right, so जब भी हम earthquake के बारे में सुनते हैं, whenever we talk about earthquakes, these are measured in this magnitude of Richter scales. We say the magnitude of earthquake in so and so city or so and so country was 6 in the Richter scale or 7 in the Richter scale. Japan had recorded an earthquake of 9 in the Richter scale, right? So what does that mean? हमने क्या किया? Our input, let's say it is 10 to the power 6, 7, 10 to the power 8, 9 and 10. From this data set हमने देखा हमारा input. We consider the log of that input. So we got log of this 6, log of this is 7, 8, 9 and so on. This is Richter scale, right? Richter scale is a scale made using logarithm base 10, right? So when you are saying there's an earthquake जिसका magnitude 6 था versus there's an earthquake जिसका magnitude 7 था, the difference is not 1 unit. This is just the log of that number. The difference is 10 times. So this earthquake of Richter scale 7 is stronger 10 times than earthquake of Richter scale 6, right? Magnitude 6. Similarly, the earthquake which was recorded in Japan of magnitude 9 was 1000 times stronger than an earthquake which has magnitude 6. This is not just a difference of 3 unit. 3 unit is in the form of log. That is our manipulation. The manipulation we do to simplify the numbers, to use the large data set of numbers. Similarly, आजकल this disease which has got form of pandemic, nothing but this COVID thing. You must be seeing that in daily media news and all. They show a graph which goes like this: total number of world cases of corona. Like for every country, it goes like this. But have you noticed what is there in the y-axis and what is there in the x-axis? And there is a note somewhere here or here. It says log scale, right? So this is not linear. This is mostly you will find these numbers as 100, 1000, somewhere 1 million, 10 million. This is log base 10 scale, right? So this is the basics of log, and now we will consider few numericals before moving ahead onto some next topic. But let's see some numericals.